in the rainforest. Did you hear that? Who is making that sound? Jaguar, was it you? Nope, not me. Roar, roar. That's the sound I make. Hello, pretty parrot. How about you? Did you make that sound? Nope, it wasn't me, screech, squawk. That's how I talk. Hey, iguana, did you hear that sound? Was that you? Oh no, it couldn't be me. You'll never hear a sound from me. Hello, monkey. Do you know who's making that sound? Chatter, chatter. I think I do. Have a look right next to you. Ribbit, ribbit, little frog, it's you. We hear you singing all through the rainforest. The end.